So the topic of the today lecture is pointer in C. So like in the normal variable, we can add or subtract them. So in the similar way, if we have a pointer variable, we can also subtract or add them. So the agenda for the today lecture is pointer increment. That means if we have a pointer variable, so then increment, and next will be the pointer decrement, and so on. And I will took array with example int a of 5 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And int, this is the P and Q, this is the two pointer, and P is equal to a of 0, and this is the Q is equal to a of 3, and suppose in this line I will give P plus plus. So in the memory, so this is the indexes, this is the 1000, and we are assume that each integer has a 2 bytes. We are assuming that each integer has 2 bytes. We are assuming that each integer has 2 bytes. So 1001, sorry, 2, 1002, 4, 6, 8. P is pointing to this, and this is the location of Q. This is the P and this is the Q. This is the P and this is the Q, and P is pointing to this and Q is pointing to this. Inside P 1000 and inside 1006. So the most important points, this is the present scenario, we can easily identify that int a5, and in this 10, so this is the value. So if we want to increment P plus plus, if we want to increment the P plus plus, then so what do you mean by P plus plus? What do you mean by P plus plus? Because P is a pointer, P is a pointer type variable. We have already declared P is a pointer type variable, and Q is also a pointer type variable. So the meaning of the P plus plus, move to next element. I will repeat, the meaning of this P plus plus is move next element or move to next integer. Move to next element or move to next integer. So the next integer will be this. So inside this 1002, and this will be, so I will repeat once again, this is the pointer increment. I will done P plus plus. P plus plus means move to next integer, move to next integer or move to next element. So the next element will be 20, next element will be 20, and the address of the address of 20 element is 1002. So this is about the pointer increment. So this is done about the pointer increment. In the same manner, we also give the example. In the same manner, I will try to replace pointer. So this is the pointer decrement. I will take the same example. I will take the same example. This is the main function, and int a of 5 minus minus. So this is the situation. This is known as pointer decrement. So in the same example I have done in the previous themes. So this is the pointer, this is the pointer decrement. So in the memory, if we doing the things in the memory, so this is the 10, again 20, this is the 40, this is the 50. So if we talk about the location of P, so 1000, P is pointing to this, and Q is also pointing to this. P is pointing to this, and we are saying that move to next element or move to next integer. In the similar manner, we are saying that move to previous element. Move in the pointer decrement, we are saying that move to previous element or okay, I will repeat once again. In the pointer increment, we are saying that P++ means move to the next element. In the similar manner, if we have pointer decrement, then we are saying that move to the previous element, move to the previous integer. Then what will be the done? This is the Q, this is the previous, this is the previous. So this will be pointing to this. So what is inside this? 1004. This is the 1004. This is the, by using this operation, I have, this will be removed. So the new location will be this 1004. So this is the pointer decrement. So next we will similar. So main, and this is the constant addition. So we will do that P is equal to P plus 2. P is equal to P plus 2. So this is the example, and this is the constant addition, because 2 is the constant, and the format of the constant addition is P is equal to P plus K, where K is any integer. So in the memory 10 this. So what do you mean by constant addition? So the constant addition means, here is P is equal to P plus 2. This is a constant addition. So the meaning of this, move to two elements into the forward direction. The meaning of this, suppose P is equal to P plus K, where K is a constant. So meaning that move to K elements into forward direction. Move to K elements into the forward direction. This is the here. This is the move to two elements, 1 and 2. This is the two elements. So inside P is equal to P plus 2 means move to two elements into the forward direction. 1 and 2, this is the two elements, this is the two elements, and moving to two elements forward. So what is this inside? 1004. So this is the constant addition. So this is the constant addition. And if we talk about the constant subtraction, so format is equal to P is equal to P minus K. P is the pointer. P is the pointer. So this is the main action. This is the constant subtraction. So in the memory block, 1006. This is the 1006. So q is equal to q minus t 2. What do you mean by q is equal to q minus 2? What do you mean by q is equal to q minus 2? So move two elements into the backward direction. Move two elements into the backward direction. So this is the element, this is the current location, this is the in the given program 1006 is pointing to this. So this is the move to 2 location. Yes, this is the 2 location. So the new addresses will be 1002. New addresses will be 1002 and previous addresses will 1006. So replace 1006 into 1002. Why? Because q is equal to q minus 2. So move two elements into the backward direction. This is the 2 elements 1002. So this is the about the constant subtraction.